मेरे साथ 2 इंस्टेंसेस हुए. आई ट्रैवल्ड इन अ ट्रेन, लोकल ट्रेन, जो महिलाओं का डिब्बा होता है, उसमें children below 18 years are allowed. He was standing there और जैसे ही ट्रेन निकली, he just grabbed my hand. My mother was a teacher. That guy, you'll not believe it, he was my mother's student. Under his bag, flashed something and told me, see like that. And I was like, जब मैं कई शहरों पे गई थी, like अयोध्या और यूपी, suddenly I see the difference in the gaze, you know? There and I'm very like that, काली माता. I'm like, क्यों देख रहा है, क्या देख रहा है? किसी ने लड़की को छेड़ा, मतलब वो गया. मेरे पास बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं, एक पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं, एक साथ 10 पुलिस.
आपने एक्चुअली नंबर कलेक्ट किया?
या
Is sex on screen monotonous?
100%. It's like you give so many takes. It's so hot. It's like your bodies are touching each other. You just want to go have a bath.
But intimacy coordinator वगैरह रहते हैं इस टाइम पे?
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो ऐसा कोई था नहीं. Once Imtiaz said that more than women, no, men feel very uncomfortable on set, especially in.
बहुत सही बात बोली भाई आप.
पहला सीजन में पता है the waiter, that boy was like shaking. I have ran 100-200 for Maharashtra and all when I was like on my period. I don't speak out loud. Today is the first time I have ever spoken on camera like that.
तो देखिए मराठी मुलगी को ले आए हम लोग. वेलकम टू द मेल फेमिनिस्ट. आदिति, कैसी हो आप?
Thank you Siddharth, very well.
आज ये लंगड़ते हुए खुद आई हैं. सिर्फ इनके साथ एक हमारी जो इनकी पीआर लिएज है वो आई हैं.
Yes.
ये ऐसा कम टीम लेके ही चलती हो आप हमेशा?
हमेशा. I love it. In fact, मतलब लोगों को मेरा गुस्सा आएगा, but I feel that lesser the people, lesser the chaos. You know. I feel like आज मैं ये कुछ जो भी कर रही हूँ, it's more like a job, which is something I would love to pursue as a job. I'm not really looking at it as anything because honestly speaking, उगते सूरज को सलाम है, तो पता नहीं कब क्या हो सकता है, and just go with the flow ताकि stress भी कम हो जाता है.
ये जो आपने जो ये सीखी समझी सुलझी हुई बात जो बताई, ये बड़प्पन एंड दिस मैच्योरिटी ये लाइफ के इंस्टेंसेस की वजह से आ रही थी या जनरली आप हमेशा से ऐसी एक भाई मुझे पता है टाइप की बंदी रही हो?
नहीं कभी पता होता है कुछ इधर उधर ठोक पीट के सीधा हो गया और कुछ नहीं, very honestly. So as I was growing up, I keep mentioning it because it was my first love, running. I was a runner, and then I lost my mom when I was about 15.
बहुत आपकी I shouldn't say dramatic but tragic and dramatic story.
Yes.
माँ के साथ लेकिन कैसा था रिश्ता जनरली?
माँ मतलब I think it's like having the sun on your head, you know. She was a very outspoken, outgoing person, but full of love. Yeah, and she used to ride bikes that time. She used to play hockey and all that. दोनों आपके माता पिता दोनों athletics, yeah.
दोनों national level.
Like national level, पता नहीं वो बोलती थी.
पिताजी मैराथन.
Dad was 10,000 meters.
Oof.
Yeah, he was a 10,000 meter runner, but also very dynamic. And my father was this guy who never said that I will not cook because he was also a food technologist.
हाँ.
तो डैड का
बट आपके पिताजी वो टाइम पे फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट?
या he was in Cadbury's for like so many years. He made Appy and all that, you know, at that time.
He made Appy?
First time when Appy happened.
What are you saying?
He was in Kashmir, yeah.
बहुत सुंदर. तो माता पिता से साथ साथ आपकी बहन भी है.
Yeah.
तो उसके साथ कितना आपका वार्तालाप? What is that relationship like?
So she's a writer and she's exactly opposite. Like actually speaking, no, with her I have learned so much because she has some kind of, I don't know, kind of thing inside her, you know. She'll just be quiet और आगे वाला वैसे ही डर जाता है. पता नहीं कैसे, मतलब, you know, because we always are looking out for each other, right? And as we go forward, one thing we both have in common, which probably comes from our parents, is the power to say no.
तो उनके साथ फिर आपकी फर्स्ट पीरियड फर्स्ट ब्रा ये वाली कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुई होंगी?
नहीं, वो she was already in college and she started life, in fact not working at that point of time.
And dating वगैरह का?
Dating वगैरह का actually I've been a very I don't know, strange kind of person. Like I didn't really date many people, you know. There were few, but yeah, and I used to feel damn bad if something happened, na breakup type of thing, college school वाला breakup type of thing.
ये heartbreak experience आपको जैसा महसूस हो वो तो होना चाहिए ना?
Yeah. वो तो है. पर वो कभी it didn't become like the most important part of my life because running always was a top priority. Then acting became top priority. So I don't know, but I want to get married.
But circling back to the dating bit, are you seeing somebody right now or not?
No, I'm not seeing
Why
somebody.
you still look though?
Somebody knocked, I thought.
Oh. Are you conscious about that as a thought?
What dating? I want to date somebody.
क्या है आपके हिसाब से एक अच्छी डेट?
Like, achhi date is a good conversation. I'm saying, like, right now, this could be a date with somebody who's sensible, who's wanting to listen to me, who's wanting to hear me out, not in a way that, oh, only I keep talking, who also contributes to what you're saying.
Yeah.
And then I move forward with taking something new and applying it to my life.
Yeah.
That's a good date, you know. And then if we get along, we meet. Of course, there is somebody I still am in love with terribly, but things don't work out the way they should always. So that stands there, but that doesn't mean that I will immediately shift
Were you
my
ever
gear.
together?
Yeah, like we were together. We always, we're in a very great spaces, but because of certain circumstances and the way life takes you, some things happen and maybe we come back. You never know. But
Yeah.
I'm not scared of falling in love. I'm not scared of owning a
Yeah,
relationship.
why should you not?
Not at all. But I would love to reconcile with that if it happens, you know. Yeah.
बट अदिति, हम मेल फेमिनिस्ट पे ये बात बड़ी करते हैं कि साक्षी मलिक आई थी हमारे शो पे.
Oh, wow.
उन्होंने हमें ये बताया कि द एंड्योरेंस जो एक औरत की, बिकॉज वो एथलीट होती है, बड़ी चेंज हो जाती है, बड़ी अच्छी हो जाती है.
Yes, yes.
उन्होंने एट बर्थ टाइम उनको कोई दर्द नहीं हुए.
Oh.
And you know, this is very specific to individual women, very different to different women. तो इसको आप वो पत्थर की लकीर ना माने. But क्या आप, let's say when you were experiencing periods,
Yeah.
were you experiencing pains differently because you were endurance trained?
Actually, yes, it's true. I don't experience pain. Even
आपको period pain होता ही नहीं है?
नहीं होता है. But I don't. The way girls make, I'm sure it pains a lot for girls, whoever they are around me. But I can kind of, it's there in its own space. वो मुझे trouble नहीं करता है. I have ran 100, 200 for Maharashtra and all when I was like on my period. So that, in fact, it's like the endurance level, the hormones are very different at that time. So
Yeah.
it's better. That's what my coach always said.
Really?
Yeah. Every morning I used to run at 4:30 to
किधर पे?
8:30, Dadoji Kondev Stadium in Thane and PDP. So evening 3 hours training, morning 3 hours training. बहुत ट्रेनिंग की यार मैंने. और फिर मुझे लगा
7 घंटा तो ट्रेनिंग है.
हाँ, और बीच में सोने का और खाने का. And no vada pav at all.
Yeah,
which was very torturous for me.
मुंबई एक शहर कितना एक लड़की को सेफ महसूस करवाता है. अगर कोई इंसिडेंट हुए तो क्या हुआ, मतलब कभी रास्ते चलते आपको, क्योंकि लड़कों को नहीं पता. हम कभी यूं नहीं करते खाली बैठे हुए. हम यूं कर सकते हैं बॉडी में इश्यूज होंगे तो, बट दरवाजा खोलते समय चुन्नी नहीं खींचते. हुक पे चुन्नी नहीं लगी होती. तो वो कितना क्या क्या था.
Yeah, it's quite deadly. In Bombay तो मुंबई में I feel the safest honestly because एक तो it's my homeland. पर जब मैं कुछ कई शहरों पे गई थी like अयोध्या और यूपी, some parts of UP. Suddenly I see the difference in the gaze, no? There and I'm very like that काली माता. I'm like क्यों देख रहा है, क्या देख रहा है. किसी ने लड़की को छेड़ा, मतलब वो गया. मेरे पास बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं, मैं सारे नंबर्स को फोन करती हूँ. एक पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं, एक साथ 10 पुलिस.
आपने एक्चुअली नंबर कलेक्ट किया.
Yeah, I know all the cops.
मेरे को देखना है ये.
These two are like.
It says cop. I will not name them. Sahib.
Yeah.
It says cop.
बहुत सारे देख.
Oh, airport.
Not only this, wherever I go, Chennai airport, this airport, that airport, everywhere.
Airport and then police, Versova, police, politician who's connected to police. Yeah. Oof.
And then there are many others. I don't even like scare people anymore. I'm like, अच्छा रुक. And I just go. दादा 1 मिनट बोला याच्याशी झालं. Game after that.
पहली बार, क्योंकि कई लड़कियों से हमारे शो पे मैं मिला हूँ और मैं चाहता हूँ किसी दिन हम एक ऐसी लड़की से मिलें शो पे जो बोले कि अरे मेरे साथ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो पहली बार क्या हुआ, कब हुआ और आपने क्या किया था?
तो मेरे साथ 2 इंस्टेंसेस हुए. माय मदर वाज अ टीचर. शी वाज अ CA ICWA टीचर. So we used to have this one society bus that used to go to the society. From school we used to take that bus. So after 5th standard you have to take your own bus, you have to be independent. That guy, you'll not believe it, he was my mother's student. Under his bag flashed something and told me see like that. Okay, I looked and I was like I started laughing because I didn't know what to do. And I said, Dada, I called him Dada. And I was like, and I saw what was in his eyes, you know. I was like, oh my God. And I said, wow. So you'll not believe it for the first time because my mother was also very like that. तो कभी उनको किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो she used to take the this thing, their book, and throw it. And to a second floor से वो नीचे चले जाता था. She was like a brilliant woman, brilliant. So I stood up in the bus. I stood up and I said, "This man is showing me something wrong," and I said it loud and clear. He got so shocked. You'll not believe it, Siddharth. He forgot to zip his pants. He forgot that I was just standing next to him. He just banged that briefcase or whatever it was, that bag, and he got stuck. And it was such a situation. The bus wouldn't stop, and his pants fell down, and he just jumped out of a running bus. And I told my mom, I said, that boy who comes, no, he did this. And she said, what did you do? I said, I did this. She said, good, very good. Next time somebody does that, make sure you make a noise. Don't go and hit people when you're alone. Remember that. And I was like, okay. So you know that confidence, but mothers.
क्योंकि आप साथ में ये दे रही हो context.
Yeah.
बहुत जरूरी है कि बच्चों में वो बड़ों को ही एमुलेट करते हैं. आपकी माँ ने आपको ये दे के भेजा था घर से.
100%. और उन्होंने हमेशा से कहा, with freedom comes responsibility. So if you're going to drink, if you're going to smoke, if you're going to be on your own, if you're going to party with boys or whatever, you are responsible for your life. Remember that. I'm not always going to be around. But mothers, and I think mothers who also have mothered boys, have to say this to them, that if you're wrong, you're wrong. I travelled in a train, local train, and first class mein school boys are allowed to come. Okay, so they were holding on to the bar. And I must be in 11th standard or something like that. महिलाओं का डिब्बा होता है, उसमें children below 18 years are allowed. School uniform वाले जो होते हैं. So what happened was, he was standing there. वो वहाँ खड़ा था, और जैसे ही ट्रेन निकली, I think it was Dadar or something like that. Okay, he just grabbed my boobs.
What?
Yeah, and he looked.
What time of the day?
It was 11:30 a.m. or 12 a.m. 12 p.m. sorry.
भाई बड़ी
11:30 a.m. धूप दिन में. वो स्कूल से निकला, मैं अपना कहीं से निकली होंगी, I don't know, ट्रेनिंग करके. So I used to go to PDP to run that time, and I was wearing a kurta. You'll not believe it. I was wearing a Fab India का kurta.
आप क्या पहने हैं उससे कुछ
नहीं, पर बोलते हैं ना कि ये मत पहनो, ये मत करो. But I was wearing a kurta, and I had no idea he had this intention towards me. And when he did that, I went in a state of shock. So I got off at the next station. I went to the police station. I went to the cops. The cops said, अरे ठीक है ना, अभी क्या कुछ हुआ क्या ज़्यादा? मैंने बोला ज़्यादा मतलब मेरे को harassment हुआ. And he said, अभी कहाँ ढूंढेंगे उसको, ये वो ऐसा ऐसा. And you will not believe me, that guy was standing right there where he did whatever he did to me to do it to someone else. And I recognized him. So I said that he's that guy. And he said, but what proof do you have? I said, I'm telling you he's that guy. Why will I lie? And he said, चलो ठीक है, we'll talk. So one lady constable came with me. She said, इनको कुछ किया क्या, ये क्या क्या? तो उसने बोला नहीं. तो मेरा शुरू हो गया वापस. I just screamed loudly at him. I screamed so loudly, and I kind of, scared him, because he was a young boy, ना after all. मैं उससे 2-3 साल तो बड़ी होंगी पक्का. तो मैंने बोला, बोल क्या कि नहीं, बोल मारूंगी नहीं तो. और मैंने जो ऐसे किया ना, बोला sorry, and he just kept going down. I literally held him by his collar, and I said, और किसके साथ करेगा? इनके सामने बोल. मी म्हटलं याला घेऊन जा आतमध्ये, 2 दंडे मारा, फिर समझ में आएगा इसको. But it happened after a period of 15 to 18 minutes that I was at him. I went straight in his soul. That's when he opened and he said, yeah.
Generally consent की समझ कहाँ से आ रही थी? क्योंकि कोई ये नहीं बताता ना कि यार आपको पहले किसी से परमिशन लेनी है. मतलब वसीयतपुर नहीं आती तो मैं किसी महिला से कभी पूछता नहीं, I feel like kissing you, should I kiss? वो समझ कहाँ से आ रही थी आप में?
Like I told you na, that basically the idea of what is okay with me and what is not okay with me came a very beginning of my life only because of my mom, because she made me that way. So it feels correct or it feels wrong, right? Like you'll read a script also, na, it feels correct or it feels wrong, and I really go with that instinct.
Then pleasure वगैरह की समझ कहाँ से ला रही थी आप?
Yeah, honestly, I'll tell you, I would discuss it with my friends, and then they would tell me that, but don't do this, then
like
don't do this, others you might, and I was like, what do you mean? And that one, she got pregnant and this happened and that. So everybody was scaring you at that time, no? And then I had a very sweet boyfriend who was also like doing some plays and doing something, and a very sweet kind of a guy. But he stayed very far away from here. Like he was, I think, in Pune or something like that. I don't remember now. So yeah, I used to like be comfortable with him because he was always like blah, and he was in his space. So there was no pressure of anything. So with him, I discovered a bit of intimacy, I would say, and that was like very nice, very pleasant, and very butterflies in the stomach kind of a thing.
So then, in essence, were you then like asking for what you would like and how you would like it?
Since I didn't know what it was to like or not like, whatever happened and whatever was being experienced at that moment, I liked it. Sometimes, you know, what happens is when you are also intimate with your partner, there is some unresolved matter which gets like comes out there in that bloody room, you know, and then you feel like, wait, what's happening? Like I said, my mantra to everything is stop, pause, ask.
She, वो क्लिष्ट किरदार था. जब आप पढ़ रही थी तब आपको भय नहीं हुआ था कि ये क्या करने बोल रहे हैं लोग?
हाँ, थोड़ा डर तो लगा बिगनिंग में, and I expressed it to Imtiaz sir, and I said I'm a very shy person, so I don't know how much of this I'll be able to do. He said, don't worry, whatever you can do, you do. Rest will not. And
मतलब और explicit थे scenes?
No, actually वो मेरे दिमाग में ना बहुत बड़ा बन गया. When I started performing it ना, because mentally you can see that girl go through all this, right?
Yeah.
So what happens is that on set people don't know me. I'm a newcomer, right? So then Imtiaz sir started coming on set and he neutralized the set somehow. He was like, तुम बताओ, तुमको ठीक है, ये सब लोग है ठीक है, नहीं है ठीक है. I said, sir, can I please do this scene by myself? Even the smallest of the scenes where, you know, if you see she's wearing a nightgown and looking at herself in the mirror, realizing her sexuality and her body for the first time. You know, that's such a deep kind of a feeling that a woman can have, right? That too, after getting like banged with that husband and whatnot. वो सब करते हुए अपने आप को देखना है, अपने आप को एक तरीके से समझना है, वो सीन था. So ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही tough था. But their support was always there. First time I remember, because I had this conversation with Imtiaz sir, and so he said, you want to wear this and try it, this outfit, will you be okay with it and all? I said, I'll take it home, I'll try it. And I tried it in the front of the mirror. That is the first time I felt, because ye sab, generally I wouldn't do it, right? But when I did it for the character, no, after that it started intriguing me, honestly. And it took me in that space after that. After that only I started like getting more attracted towards myself after doing shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Is sex on screen monotonous?
100%. It's like you give so many takes. It's so hot. It's like your bodies are touching each other. You just want to go have a bath. Yeah, it's so like that, you know. And but both actors are same in the same vibe.
Yeah. But intimacy coordinator वगैरह रहते हैं इस टाइम पे?
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो ऐसा कोई था नहीं. मैं अपने खुद का intimacy coordinator मैं plus co-actor, please sir, can we do this? What do you think about this? I feel tickled over here and all.
Mechanical बातें करते हो क्या?
Mechanical बातें.
जैसा कि example?
जैसे कि you know, I'll do it. I'll give you a kiss from here. I'll do this from this side. But then you know, are you okay with this? Are you okay with that? I always keep communicating with the, because you know, once Imtiaz sir had said very important thing that more than women, no, men feel very uncomfortable on set, especially in.
बहुत सही बात बोली भाई आप.
पहला सीजन में पता है that scene with the waiter, that boy was like shaking and he said, Bhumi, you take care of him. I said, who's taking care of me? What the hell? And he said, no, you're strong, take care of him. Because nobody asked the boy that, you know, what is happening to you. सब लोग सोचते हैं कि women feel like that.
2-3 सवाल हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि आश्रम के जितने फैंस हैं वो लोग कमेंट्स में हमें बताएंगे. हम भी काफी आश्रम को देखे हैं. मतलब वो ट्रूली वो स्लो बर्न था जो पता नहीं चला कहाँ से आया और फिर कितना बड़ा बना. तो कैसा था वो रोल पाना, बॉबी भाई से मिलना? और कई लोगों को पता नहीं है क्योंकि वो एनिमल का वो उनका रफ रगेड लोग जानते हैं. मैं उनसे मिला हूँ तो मुझे पता है वो लॉकी को प्रेम करने वाले व्यक्ति हैं, बहुत सॉफ्टी, एकदम प्यार मोहब्बत से बात करने वाले व्यक्ति. तो ये 2-3 सवालों का जवाब दो. या
एक्चुअली बहुत से, मतलब वी वर डूइंग इंटरव्यू, तो बहुत से लोगों ने भी पूछा था प्रकाश सर से कि आपने बॉबी को कैसे कास्ट किया बाबा के रोल में. सो ही केप्ट सेइंग दैट यू नो, एक लड़का जो इतना सरल है, अच्छा है, इसको हम टेढ़ा दिखाते हैं. That's what he said that, and that's why he cast him. And it's exactly like that, because Bobby sir is like a baby, you know, he's so lovely. And it's like you can never have any kind of we both fight over songs. मेरी जहाँ करके एक गाना है जो मेरा favorite है. So that is my favorite song. तनुजा जी का गाना है वो. एंड
अच्छा ये पुराने गाने की
पुराने गाने
ठीक है
तो हम दोनों ना झगड़ा करते थे कि मेरा बजेगा गाना या तुम्हारा गाना बजेगा।
किधर गाड़ी में?
नहीं, आफ्टर पैकअप wherever everybody used to meet, we were like we have become like one close knit unit, like we started in 2019 or something, right? फिर लॉकडाउन हुआ, फिर लॉकडाउन का एंड हुआ, फिर उसमें हम लोग मास्क पहन के वी टू शूट एंड ऑल दैट, बाबा सो मेनी प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो it was like you know, when I actually got this part, I was not sure whether I want to do it or not, but Shruti Mahajan, the casting director, she sent me one scene. I read the scene and I said, और वो कुछ नहीं बताएंगे, उन्होंने कहा था कि कौन है क्या है, तभी मैंने शी ऑलरेडी किया हुआ था. सो आई सेड शी पहले रिलीज हो जाए, उसके बाद मैं कुछ और करती हूँ. बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस इट हैपेंड.
वेरी कूल.
या एंड आई स्टिल गेव द टेस्ट एंड आई वांटेड टू वर्क विद प्रकाश सर. आई न्यू ही इज अ वेटरन डायरेक्टर और इनके साथ ना मजा आएगा काम करने में.
रिसेंट पास्ट में किसने ऐसी सीख दी आपको लगा और आपने बोला हाँ मैं भी करती है?
बॉबी सर.
हाँ.
या ही सेड मैं काम मांगने लगा था at that time when he had just started again. तो immediately Prakash sir said that what is wrong in that and what is right in that, and he said no, that's what I never believed that it was right or wrong, and I used to go and ask for work, and that's how I came back.
But speaking more about आश्रम, चंदन भी बहुत दिग्गज कलाकार है जो जमाने से थिएटर में किल कर रहे थे, अब OTT और फिल्मों में किल कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक उन्हें भी ड्यू मिलना चाहिए. बट कैसे एक आपका को स्टार इंटीमेट मोमेंट्स हो या जनरली एक इंटेंस ड्रामा जब एम्यूलेट करना है तो वो कैसे आपको कंफर्टेबल महसूस करा रहे होते हैं? हाउ आर द मेन अराउंड आश्रम truly male feminists?
They, I would say, are truly male feminists. Especially Chandan is such an amazing co-actor. I just love him. I love him. He's like water, you know. He flows like water. And we had, because the season has those moments where Bopa Swami and Pammi, something is happening, right? So it's like, at that time I was shooting for She season 2, and I was like, oh, now how many more people I have to do this with? Because I am bored, you know. तो वो एक था. देन बॉबी सर के साथ बहुत सारे सीन्स थे और बहुत बार ऐसे हुआ कि ही वाज लाइक पम्मी तो ठीक है ना, लाइक ही वाज लाइक यू नो वन सीन वेयर वी वर लाइक दैट एंड ही सेड आई एम फीलिंग लिटिल weird, and like he was getting some kind of chakkar or something like that, and he's like, I said, are you gonna fall on me? You tell me that, because
he's big, yeah.
Hard, yeah. I said shit. And so these kind of funny things also happen, but वो खेल में निकल जाते हैं. And there was one scene where Pammi gets, I think, first time realizes that she is been raped in her dream, and that scene where she looks into the mirror, every single girl on the monitor was weeping. So इतना वो जाके ना आर पार गया, सोल के आर पार गया लोगों के.
ऐसा लेभारी तो was, you know, like, how is Ritesh though? Is he amazing, because he's a big prankster? Sometimes he's got his moods, I've heard.
वो actually मैं बहुत ही तभी छोटी थी, so it was very nice because Genelia was also like always around, and Nishi sir always been very protective of me. So I think, you know, honestly I've been very lucky that ये ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स मुझे मिले.
निशिकांत कामत साहब की बात हो रही है ना यहाँ पर. तो वो आपको समझते हैं, वो आपसे इंटेलेक्चुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, एंड दैट बेसिकली ब्रिंग्स यू टू सेइंग कि यार ये मेरे को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, मेरे को लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड.
एक्चुअली ये सारे ही डायरेक्टर्स बहुत ही, मतलब दे आर वेरी मॉइस्ट, वेरी वार्म, यू नो. यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू प्रकाश सर एंड से कि आई एम नॉट ओके सर डूइंग दिस शॉट, तो बोलेंगे ओके क्या लग रहा है तुम्हें, ये नहीं बोलेंगे अच्छा बदल देते हैं, ये नहीं बोलेंगे क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, यू नो. ही विल आस्क मी. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन यू आस्क समथिंग लाइक दैट, then you suddenly feel safe. When you feel safe, you feel like ठीक है, मुझे पता है कि this is correct, it's not going wrong. Automatically you stop shielding yourself.
Yeah.
You know, that's what happens. With Ritesh, Nishi sir and everything that happened on Layabhari, it almost felt like, that time I used to be like, oh, it feels so great, it's like family, it's this, is that. But actually it was like family. And it felt very, very secure.
Investment or finances का क्या scene है आपका? How did you get your way with it? How did you learn? Do you invest yourself?
Yeah, I'm holding some very good stocks in the market, and I follow the market and I invest. I have some people who invest for me also, primarily because of my father. He used to invest in the market. And then he used to say as a child, you know, this Johnson Baby Company, you're the owner. And I was like, I own this whole thing. Wow, yes,
hey, powder लगाया.
Shareholder.
क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर.
तो फिर बोलते थे कि यार, you're a shareholder. See, these are your shares. So he got all these blue chip shares and all from Asian Paints, this, that, मेरे नाम पे, which have become gold now.
Yeah. You have Asian Paints since बचपन.
Daddy, L&T, Aisha.
L&T since.
All this.
अदिति, हमारे कुछ सवाल जो स्टैंडर्ड है उनमें एक रह गया. फेमिनिज्म आपके लिए क्या है?
फेमिनिज्म मेरे लिए इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मेल.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
क्यों? आप भी तो इंसान हो ना, आपको भी तो वो सब फील हो रहा होगा जो मुझे हो रहा है. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज आई हैव मेल फीमेल एनर्जी विद इन मी, राइट? अदरवाइज हाउ आर वी मेड विद दीज टू थिंग्स विच yin and yang is always spoken about. Sometimes I'm strong when I'm carrying a child. I'm strong mentally, physically, both. The spine actually bends, and then when I'm milking the child, probably I'm vulnerable and beautiful, and so is the father. So where is the distinction? Why are you distinguishing between these two? We are made out of one. We all are one. Then what is the distinction? और ये अगर लड़कों को भी समझ में आ गया ना, तो they will also not be a वाड़ा टेढ़ा. पिट के नहीं होगा.
Superiority ही कत्ल है फेमिनिज्म का.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why mothers have to understand this. आप चाहे गांव में हो, कहीं पे भी हो, you have to understand वो आपसे कैसे व्यवहार कर रहे हैं. आपका बेटा, उससे समझ में आ जाएगा. क्यों घर पे आते, क्यों, क्या चाहिए तुझे, पानी चाहिए, क्यों हो रहा है ये?
क्या आपको लगता है मर्दों को महिलाओं को बोलना बंद कर देना चाहिए?
Yeah, I would say that women also in a way na, they really lay low at times कि you don't know. Why? Stand tall. Be equal. If you're saying you want to be equal, then stand tall. And then be very mature about it. You don't need to be 50 or 40 years old for that.
बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन द मेल फेमिनिस्ट. हमें बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करके. हमने करीब आप लोगों को बता दिया जाए 2 घंटा बात की. कट के आपके पास एक प्रोडक्ट आएगा. अगर आपको उसका अनकट वर्जन, पॉडकास्ट ऑडियो वर्जन में चाहिए तो प्लीज कमेंट में बताना. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया ऑटरफ्लाई को तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो. आपको कैसा लगा?
आई डोंट नो, आई एम फीलिंग फ्रेश, free, liberated.
I
feel great.
Equal parts came to this. Extremely tired and exhausted, but I am also feeling fresh. Amazing. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Are you a hugger?
Yeah.
Okay, this is me, Siddharth Alamban, signing off. Bye. Thank you. Oopsie, your coffee shouldn't fall.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you.
We will meet again.